don't put me in the fridge. Cold temperatures ruin my flavor and texture. I stay fresh and tasty at room temperature.
Moisture's my enemy. Storing me in the fridge makes me spoil faster. Keep me in a dry, well-ventilated place instead. I'm unripe, leave me out. Once I'm ripe, the fridge helps slow me down and keeps me fresh longer.
I am a potato. I don't belong in the fridge either. Cold turns my starch into sugar. Store me in a cool, dark place for best quality.
Always seal me tightly. Proper storage keeps bacteria away and your food's safe to eat.